Today's morning one of the New York trip. Captain Gabby over here enjoying breakfast. Good morning, Mrs. Gabby. Look how sweet she is. Lugnut just woke up for the morning, crawling out of his hole. We're getting ready to leave Staten Island Marina, the first marina we came to, all of us with about 4 hours of sleep. Last night, we finally got good night's rest. We are heading out for about a 12-hour push today. It's a buoy. He made it up. Ocean. Hey Brandon,
What's that?
what's Gabby doing? Let's
Ghost riding the whip.
He's ghost riding the whip, baby! There he goes! Let's take a look at this marina right here. What did that barge captain do for you?
Slow the hell down.
He told him slow down before the marina. We're at the bridge. You know what that means? Gabby with the nerves of steel with his captaining skills. About to pass this big boy right here.
That's a fucking ship. Open that window.
Coming into New Albany, or no, Albany.
Where the albinos live, over in Albany.
Here we are, Hudson River, coming into Lock 1. Yo, Brandon! Deckhand 1, clear! Yo, Deckhand 2!
Deckhand 2. Let me look at you, big guy.
Miss Cindy!
How close?
We got Captain Gabby up there, in the locks, living the dream, killing that bucket list. We got Brandon, pulling the boat up again. We are securely in the heart of the Flight of 5.
Oh yeah, we are.
Brandon, getting you in front of the wall.
Giant wall, big wall.
Bow thrusters away from the wall, both of them please. Lugnut, how far is the next lock?
The next block.
Yes.
0.16 miles away. Right there.
Lugnut gets it right, it's amazing. Approaching Lock 6, one more to Schenectady. We will spend the night at Schenectady Yacht Club. Lock 6, then on to Lock 7, and then on to Schenectady Yacht Club. Yeah, I'm coming to see you, lady. Approaching guard gate number 1, low clearance. Currently approaching guard gate number 2. Pretty funny because the guy that opens guard gate number 1 gets in his car and drives down to guard gate number 2 to open it and then drives back. Bowie, I'm not real excited about this guard gate number 2. I am just about to get soaked because the guard gate has not stopped draining. Anyone else want the job of clearance inspector? Bowie? No? Okay. You sure?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Why is that, Chris Baird?
You're about to be in a Backstreet video right here.
I'm gonna take my shirt off and swing it around my head.
Get there, you know?
We're here in New York on business.
Monkey business!
My fantasy football league draft on a boat
The size of a fucking building.
What was that, Gabby? We couldn't hear you.
I said fucker.
Cindy, he loves the slow stuff, doesn't he?
He loves slow.
You would think with this nice music in the background, Gabby could handle his nerves. What do we do, Gabby, when there's a good-looking girl? We honk. Chris Bowie, what is a smoothie?
So you got no ridges on your brain, dumb. You're a dummy, makes you a smoothie.
As soon as we get docked, I might get that in my hand, and then we'll be singing.
Oh, you mean Gabby's driving, coming in hot?
Oh, coming in hot. Coming in hot, you hit that? Oh. A little rough. Go throw a monkey wrench into things. That one, that's pretty cool. I'll try that one. Walking around.
9:15. Captain's log. Brandon poured me this ridiculous bourbon, and the bottom line is I didn't eat any food today at all. I'm trying to eat some Chinese to sober up. It's not working very good. I had one bourbon. You think that's funny, Brandon? You think that's funny, Lugnut?
Yeah, it was about a 75-25
Yeah,
pour.
I believe that. Yes.
Best bartender ever.
Oh, someone needs to console me from my bartender that really poured a lot. I had one drink, and I'm really hammered right now. But I'm going to eat a lot of Chinese and sober up.
Or go to bed.
What the taste of tomato? Barry was dying. Hard 7, that's what gets you, buddy.
Best story I've ever heard.
Over and out. Here we go, we're out in the marina at Schenectady Yacht Club. It is day 2 of our trip. We're just getting ready to fuel up, head out. It's about 7:45 a.m.
Day 2 of the trip,
Captain Jim at the helm again today.
and we're having fun already.
Papa Booey says,
Papa Booey.
that way.
Here we are, I'm on bridge duty. Every bridge that we go through here barely clears the boat. We are going through lock 7 through 18 today. Don't do any more than you're doing right now. We're okay. We're good. Nice and slow. We're clear. Yeah, he's clear. You're clear, Jim. Tell him put both in gear. Tell him put both in gear. very crappy part between lot 13 and 14 where you can only go 10 miles per hour all the way through. Well, here we go. This is pretty exciting. 13, 14, pretty exciting.
Who are you gonna hold? Found a couple of stowaways back here. Very little Mexicans trying to go to Canada. I'm sure that'll make a video.
Oh, you're good? Thing is massive. I don't know what it is.
Lug nut, day 3. 100-ton Papa Booey right here. I'm just cruising down this channel at 25 miles an hour.
Lock number 17. It's a crazy looking lock. We're gonna have people up top for clearance. Also on the bow and stern. Just got our green light to head in. There.
Every single lock operator is smooth.
That's
I
right.
haven't seen society in like 3 decades.
That one was
dude looked
1980.
Like an X-Men.
That guy was 1980 Wolverine
Yeah,
chops.
Wolverine. He's got absolutely no ridges on his head.
0 ridges. Lug nut is banished to the bow and on log duty. Not cold at all down there, as you can tell. We're protected up here on the bridge. Lug nut! Lug nut! Buoy stuck! Buoy stuck in there! Oh, he dropped out! Where'd he go? Buoy! Buoy! It's buoy's hand! It's a buoy hand! Lug nut! Buoy! Buoy! Get him! Get him! Buoy! Stop! Help him up! Buoy's coming up! He fell in! Alright, buoy! Yeah! We got him! Love the buoy! Oh, hey guys.
Smoothest place in America.
big boat with a remote. Boom. What's about to happen?
What's about to happen is our captain is about to take our lines off for us. He's got that 67 Princess hanging from his necklace.
Yeah, good.
I'm not the captain. Captain's right there.
Look at this smoothie on the bow. Toast us when we bring you a drink, you smoothie. There you go. Look, there's your little boat over there. Little water princess.
Doing this is better than being at work.
Taking a hard right up to Oswego. Raise that sucker, Brandon. Get it up there. Jurassic Park. Stay in the vehicle. Keep all extremities inside the vehicle. Lug nut. 6 a.m. Stayed at the lock last night. Got stuck here to make the next lock. Lock 3 by 7 a.m. 2 or 3 more locks after that, and we're on Lake Ontario. Chris Barry's very excited. We got the dial lines off already. Ready to go. Good news is no more smoothies sitting on this wall like there were last night. Morning, Gabby. We got Lug Nut down there drawing on the wall, not paying attention whatsoever to his job. Probably writing his name like a child on the wall. Lock 7 on the Oswego. Lock 8, Oswego Canal. Opening Lake Ontario. About to make up some time.
We're leaving the canals and going into the lake.
We are still at Lock 1 of the Welland, coming from Lake Ontario, going to Lake Erie. It is because pleasure boats come last and we sit in the back of the bus when it comes to these locks. Oh, this big mother coming through right here. Finally moving into Lock 1 after a 4-hour wait, getting ready to start the Welland Canal from Lake Ontario to Lake Erie. We got a beautiful Viking behind us, 2003 65 that looks absolutely brand new. These suckers are giant compared to most of the locks that we went through so far. Sailboats go in first, powerboats behind them, and typically you have powerboats rafted off of one another. Also use different locking and line systems. Lock 1 down, it's about 7 p.m. We probably have another 10 to 12 hours.
Bobby's outside, currently calming down Gebby. Gebby is about to go kill the guy on that boat.
Calming him down, relax. Gebby, look at him, patting him on the back.
This is my happy face when I'm going down in the engine room. 24 hours. What are you laughing at, Miss Cindy? It's not funny. It's not funny.
I think Cindy left her little man down there. He ran downstairs. Well, turns out Bobby wasn't anywhere over there. He's hiding over here.
Crotch is about to get burnt. Sorry, Beth. When I get out of here. Burnt wiener. Changing battery, even though that doesn't solve our problem. Gets us across Lake Erie. We're leaving tonight at 8 p.m. on these batteries, and then it'll probably die by the time I get to the marina. Off. All right, you sucker. What? Batteries back together. Enough to get us home. Brandon over there learning how to clean strainers. Brandon, look at the camera. Show us your mechanic's face. What's it look like when a smoothie's working on something down here?
What's it look like when a smoothie does it?
Yeah. Hey Smoothie, that's not how you do it. Picked up some gunk in our strainer, so we'll get that cleaned out real quick, and then we're actually gonna start heading out. Fighting Lake Erie, boys. Brando, how you doing, buddy? Lug nut on his first rollers.
Hey, we're going. Adventure.
Barry? Why do you like that sea so much, Barry? It's never a trip till you got some 6 to 8 footers rolling. What'd you say?
Kevin's trying to turn this boat into a submarine.